Yo, welcome back. It's your boy Corny, and today we are doing another blast to the nostalgic past. This is for all my transit friends out there. This is Subway Testing Remastered. I know everybody knows this game. Oh wait, I gotta pay. We used to all play the older version of this game when we were like younger. And the old trains, I think, they're still in the game. It's just they got, and the buses too, they just got messed up after the filtering system came on Roblox, so, yeah. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna drive some trains. What's going on? Is it out here? They made it so complex. Oh, I thought this was an elevator for a second. I'm about to say. Oh wait, it is. I just teleported. They have two. Yeah, this place has changed. Conference. Yeah, this place changed. Now, where do we spawn the trains at exactly? Oh wait, it's probably out here. Yeah, the train spawn. I do know there's one train station. Wait, let me just turn this down. I do remember one train, well, not train station, train, custom train model. That, I think it's this one, that still has destination signs enabled in it. Yep. And these ones actually work. Jesus, it's not willing to work for me right now, isn't it? You know what? We will just continue on. We're gonna play the game. Excuse me. It's sick today. So this, I've really been messed this thing up, haven't they? Really messed up everything. I can't even type anything in now. If they the day, then I see why they disabled it.
Please stand away from the platform edge.
I didn't mess this up bad. Wow. I understand the thing. What if I were to put like a normal destination here? Yeah, I can't put farm on. Leopards? I can't put leopards either. Howard Beach. Oh, no, I can't put anything. Yeah, they messed this up real bad. I don't know. Alright, yep, I'm getting the new train. They messed that one up pretty bad. Nice map. Which one? I like, oh, there's a R40 in this game? I did not know that. It better look good. Oh, it's a slant. Oh. Alright, well, we're definitely getting in this train. Ugh, me in. The slants were on the B train at one point. So, yeah. Alright. We got a lot of people in well, a few people in this circle. This dude sent me a friend request. I might as well accept it since he asked. It's probably a chatter. Oh, by Cash. So they definitely know each other.
Please stand away from the platform If only they had the R40M in this, that would be interesting. I don't know where I need to be for the yard access, but at this point I don't really care, because I'm just messing around in the game. Ooh. Testing. Yeah. The filtering system on Roblox is mediocre. I need to be on that side. Jeez. I mean, that's not that bad, right? This is nothing to worry about. I'm just playing the game. This game does remind me of Point Lookout. Ooh, what's this station? Right here.
Whoops, overshot. Testing Junction. That's a good name. It's cool how they added multiple different new names. And I know they have an RTS in this game. Or do they? I don't know. They have a Gillig Phantom and an RTS in the Fan Edition version of this game. Oh, we go underground? Jeez. That's like the CTA thing, the purple, brown, and red line after. Is that Armitage? If I'm not mistaken, if I'm wrong, someone let me know in the comments. I'm not really good at CTA because I'm good at NTA because I'm not from that. Oh, what's this? Industry. Ooh, jeez. These are some cool names. They forgot the fleet number. That's a sin. Don't ever forget the fleet number. Oh, let's say slow down. This is holding. Interesting names for these stations. I'm gonna do the buses later. This game was so unique for its time.
Please stand away from the platform edge.
Airport delayed. Oh. Testing hall. When will we get? Oh, wait, never mind. I say, when will we go above ground? Never mind. Oh my! Yeah, the speed on these things when coming above ground is not the best, I'd say.
Please stand away from the platform edge.
Back where I was. Alright. Well, now I will go to the games. I'm gonna go to the. Oh, they both left. I mean, that's fine with me. But, because, this is. Well, I was glad to have them here. But, never going to click spawn. Oh, they do have an RTS. Should I do Gillig? Maybe I should do Gillig. RTS, RTS for the win. I love Nova buses. This is not the bus I clicked on. But you know what? Yeah, no.
Stop requested. Please exit through the rear door.
But yeah, it's alright. There we go. RTS. Yeah. This is the best I
Stop requested. Please exit through the rear door.
This time the stop request actually works in this game. This versus a square. This game has its own bus systems. This game was ahead of its time back in the day. It still is. I don't understand why people don't play it anymore. It's because it's old, but you know, games are the best games, in my opinion at least. No one doesn't think the same thing I do. You know, Westgate, South Westgate, T22, North Westgate. Is this the North Westgate? Sure is. Silence. Oh, they have a bunch of ones here. T22 terminal. They need more bus models in this scene, if I'm being honest. Oh, they do have vehicles. Right, what route am I to? Turn right. Junction station. There we go. Keep straight. That's right. Yeah, T22, right? Yep. Keep straight. The T23 is the loop bus. Maybe I should have done that one. I love MTA buses with like just the lanterns. These ones and like the other ones they have in the newer buses. With the Via Nova screens, it's kind of like okay, but like I miss the Via Nova, but I mean I miss the old just lantern buses. They're installing Via Nova and everything, which is fine with me. Do what you gotta do for service. I'm just saying. Just removes the originality of the bus. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comment section. Ooh, Empire Tower. Jesus. Oh wait, I missed my turn. Wait a second. Well, that's the version of the Empire State Building. I'm gonna check that. Matter of fact, I'm gonna check that out right now. Is someone coloring the building? Oh wait, no, that's supposed to be Times Square. Ooh, that's actually pretty sick. Yeah, I don't know why that happened. Oh, to observation deck. Ooh, does this actually go to the observation deck? Oh wait, does it? Oh my. Jesus, wait a second. Didn't he actually go up? I thought there was a door there. Oh my. You can actually go and look up at the map. That's cool. Well, I think this is a good time to end the video out. Hopefully you guys, I don't know why I'm sliding. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and sub for more, or Novas will be at your house, you know the drill. And we will end it off looking at this view of Times Square in this game. So yeah, Subway Testing Remastered, go and check it out.